Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart for a second time at Isla Vista Elementary School in Goleta, California. And this time around it was a virtual visit, so we did some Zoom assemblies for all the grades, K to 6, and we built on what I spoke on last time I came, which was bullying, looking at someone's heart first before anything else, and took it up a level today talking about diversity and the need for human kindness, right? Like it says on my hoodie here on my shirt, it says need human kindness, and the peace sign, this logo that we did share throughout the presentations today on some of the picture slides, was about the peace sign being in the heart. That peace has to begin in the heart, right? That peace starts with us, that kindness starts with us, but two people being inside that heart, that we also have to show that kindness to others. And it's so important that we do this, because somebody just hearing that kind word or seeing that kind action, it may affect their heart in a positive way, maybe forever, right? Just them seeing it or hearing it. So it's so important that we show that. But it's also important because that appreciation of diversity, of our differences and of others, is something that can help us get past any judgments that we have, right? That if we see someone that's born different than us, that walks different, talks different, dresses different, speaks a different language, is a different skin color, that those things that used to separate us, we can look at opportunities to unify us, right? And that we have to appreciate and honor everything on the outside, all of our differences on the outside, but also what's on the inside, right? So our gifts, our talents, our abilities, what we're good at, that we can also appreciate that too. And to be able to do this requires a huge amount of kindness, and that again does start within each of our hearts, right? And it also starts with an understanding of this, that we always talk about this in all of my programs that I offer, but the idea that we are all miracles. And with the lines on each of our hands, on each of our palms, right? I traced one of mine here with washable marker. We have at least one M on each hand, and that M stands for miracle. Upside down W for worthy, that we're worthy of love to give it and receive it. And so through a series of videos and stories and just inspirational ideas, we tried to hammer that home today. That concept of unconditional love, not just for self, but for others, right? To be that light to someone else's heart that maybe doesn't appreciate their own diversity or their own differences, that we can help them see that they are beautiful, that they are unique, and that they are special. And those simple actions can just be, one word. It can be a couple seconds, and then we can either uplift or tear down. And hopefully we do choose that love, unconditional love without any conditions, that if somebody's taller than us, shorter, wider, thinner, in a wheelchair, not disabled or not, wears glasses or doesn't, whatever it is, we can still show them love without any conditions, right? To be able to choose respect, to be able to choose kindness, to be able to choose that love, it's so important in what this world needs. In a world where we can be anything, we have to choose to be kind. So thank you so much, everyone, for touching my heart as always, right? I wish I could be in person, face to face, but I could feel the energy, could feel your hearts, through the computer screen today. And I just really urge you to continue to spread that kindness for the rest of this school year and beyond, right? That all of you that said something did touch your heart, you go out and now you share that gift with others by how you treat not only yourself, but this planet. So thank you again. Hope to see you back in person one day soon. Until then, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen here. Make sure to also hit the notification bell to receive updates from videos like this. You can also check out the playlist of some powerful videos through this link on the bottom, and check out my website too through the other URL link, as you can track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.